one day the fox wife went to eat some fresh fish, and the fox trying to find some fish for her near at the river, and he saw two others at the river drinking around big fish. Both went the best part of the fish, and the fox hid and watched for a short time. And then he went up to ask if he could divide for them. The others were slightly or happy. The other divided the fish into three pieces, and he gave the head to the one other and the tail to the one other. Why? The other were seeing how the fox could the best part of the fish. Then the fox ran away, and the other had only themselves to blame for being selfish. Do not be selfish. Share with each other. Do not be selfish.